It's me, Lauren, for Loveless Instinct, and today, my stool is squeaky. Okay, so today I'm coming to you with a video request. Someone asked me about what's the difference between the nail glue, resin, and gel activator. I've touched on this before a very, very long time ago, but I want to give a refresher on exactly what it is. So, nail glue, of course, you could use it to glue on your nail tips. You can use it to glue on your nail charms or nail decorations. You can also use it to fix a cracked nail or a broken nail. Your resin and gel activator, this is what you can use on your natural nail. I was trying to think if a resin, there's a resin, I wanted to say it was a resin in some nail system. I'm trying to think of what it is, but I can't. If I could find the link to that video, I'll put it below and make sure I notate somewhere on this video that I found it and to check the description box. Okay, so Sally's used to sell, or probably most likely still does, sells this resin gel activator. And what that does, it's almost like a lightless gel. That's how they market it. And I used it a long time ago in a lace nails video tutorial. And what it does is that it has a high gloss shine to it, and it gives you like a maximum strength on your nail. So like with my lace nails tutorial, I was able to use a piece of fabric cut out to the shape of my nail and use that resin gel activator in order to put that on my nail and hold it in place. The difference between that and nail glue is that, to me, from my experience, is that it's thicker. And also, I think it gives you more of a strength to your nail. Whereas nail glue, it holds things, it's strong, but it's not as thick to me. And with the resin, because it's thicker, I want to say that it gives you a little bit more strength. The only thing about the resin is that it can get messy, meaning that it can run when you're applying it to your nail. So with the resin, it's that you brush on the resin itself, and then you have a spray activator that you spray on top of it once you put it on your nail, and that sets it and hardens it and makes it set in place. So I do like it. And if you do your nails as a hobby, or even if you do one professionally and you're not comfortable with using a gel polish or even a hard gel is the gel that you can't soak off, or even if you're not comfortable with acrylics and they're really hard to get, if you want to give yourself a little bit more nail strength, then I do suggest trying the lightless UV gel. Yep, it says lightless UV gel. I just want to make sure I'm saying it right, because somebody will come behind me and say, you can't have lightless UV. I'm just trying to remember what the package says. I don't have it in my possession anymore. I ran out of it and I never replaced it to my kit. So I hope you found this video very useful, and please don't hesitate to comment or give a question below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. And as always, check out my other videos. I have business related topics, as well as nail art videos, as well as nail and beauty related product reviews. And I will talk to y'all soon. Bye!